Good morning. Welcome back to Beyond the Noise. Today is July 1st. And for those of you who do not know, it is a big day in healthcare. Today is the first day that the new interns/residents start. A little different for where I work. They started a couple weeks back with orientation, and they actually started rotations on Monday. I thought that today would be a good day to talk about imposter syndrome. For those of you who do not know what that means, it is a psychological mindset where you think that you don't deserve it. You feel that you don't know. You feel that you're a fraud because, how could I be the person that people go to? And this is not just in healthcare, it's kind of across all industries, as you will. But I want to reframe imposter syndrome. I believe that the strongest physicians, the strongest residents, the strongest car mechanics, the strongest steel workers, the strongest corporate leaders, anyone should have some level in order to have checks and balances. The most dangerous people are the ones who don't know when they don't know. If you know, you know. And that causes, or that may cause harm to others. Now, obviously, there is a healthy level of having this checks and balance and an unhealthy level. I believe that it is important to also recognize when the imposter syndrome is causing harm to not only yourself, but others. And if the person cannot recognize that themselves, hopefully someone who does recognize it says something.